Well, this is speaking mock test, and we are going to conduct it for the battle result in your upcoming test. My name is Khuram Janjua. I am your IELTS examiner. What's your good name?
My name is Neelam Isan and you can just call me Neelam.
Okay, Neelam, can I have your ID, please?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Okay. Well, Neelam, where are you from?
I'm from Jhelum. And
Okay. Is it your hometown?
Yes, it's my hometown and it's a small city of Pakistan.
Okay. So, would you like to live in your hometown?
Yes, I would love to live in my hometown because I have so many childhood memories, but now I am planning to move abroad, so I cannot live there.
Okay. So, why is your hometown different than other hometowns?
My hometown is different from others because it's a very small hometown and it has very beautiful fields and fresh air and it now it's growing very much and it has very many parks and shopping malls, so it's a nice place to live there.
Okay. Do you work or study?
Currently I am working as a physiotherapist in
Okay.
Islamabad.
So, why have you selected this field?
Because I wanted to become a doctor, that's why I selected this field.
There are many other fields as well, and you have particularly selected the field of physiotherapy. So, it means you had an interest in this field.
Yes, one of my cousin is also physiotherapist and I am very inspired by him, so that's why I selected this.
Okay. Do you love to cook food or have food?
It depends. I love to cook food. I saw recipes on YouTube and make delicious food for me and for my family.
Okay. Does cooking make you happy?
Yes, it makes me happy, and whenever my family eats the food and compliment me, so it's a happy moment for me.
Okay. Well, Neelam, now it's the time for part two. In part two, I'm going to give you the topic, and the topic is the tourist resort you wish to visit in 2022. Why have you selected this, and why is it different sort of tourist resort? And will you visit alone or with family? Okay, you have 1.5 minutes to prepare, and then you have to speak.
Pakistan is a very beautiful country and it has so many beautiful places to visit. And of course, I have also visited many places of Pakistan before. But the place that I would like to visit is Hunza, and it's a very beautiful valley near Gilgit Baltistan. And it is, I think, one of the most beautiful tourist resort, and it attracted so many tourists all the year. And people from abroad also come there and visit there. It is surrounded by beautiful snow-capped mountains, and the people of Hunza are very hospitable and they are very helping,
They're very hospitable.
hospitable. And Hunza also has many tourist attractions, like it also has forts that was built by the kings. One of them is Altit Fort and another is Baltit Fort. They are most famous forts of Hunza. And Hunza also has many beautiful lakes. One of the most famous is Atabad Lake, and I would love to go there and do the boating and water sports there. And Hunza also has their agriculture system is also very developed, and they grew their own crops and they grew fruits for that are very famous in all over the world. Most of the famous fruit is apricot, and I wish I would go there in the season when apricot is on the trees. And
Yes, they're ripe one.
ripe one, yes. And the reason of choosing this place is because I wanted to go away from hustle and bustle of my daily routine. I wanted to see the beautiful scenery of Hunza, and I wanted to get
Well,
relaxed.
you want to.
Yes, I want to
Because
get.
you are now have to visit there.
Yes.
You are planning to visit in 2022.
Yes.
Okay, why has Hunza attracted your attention? Why not other resorts? The Pakistan is replete with, numerous tourist resort all over the world. So why has Hunza captured your attention?
Hunza, because I haven't go there.
Gone there.
I haven't gone there before. That's why it's on my priority list to visit.
Okay. So, do you think that tourist industry is flourishing in Pakistan?
Yes, tourist industry is flourishing day by day because now they have very developed. There are many resorts and hotels for
Hotels.
for the people to live there, and even people from the abroad come there and enjoy their vacations and holidays in Pakistan.
Okay, wish you best of luck, Neelam.
Thank you.
You can produce very good results, so be fluent and accurate in your speaking. And I wish you more than 7 band in your speaking modules.
Thank you.
All the best.